Virgin Galactic was founded on a dream to give many more people across the globe the opportunity to experience the wonder of space travel. Now, as we invite more customers to join our endeavor, it's time to evolve our identity. Our new color palette is inspired by our astronauts' experience. As you ascend through the ever-darkening sky, you are met by a beautiful band of violet just before entering the inky black of space. Our spaceship, defined by its elegance and innovation, becomes our central icon. It's a celebration of revolutionary design that combines function and form to enable an experience like no other. We go up in order to look back down, creating a deeper, more meaningful connection between Earth and space. And the updated DNA of flight remains true to our roots and honors those who forged the path before us. Virgin Galactic exists to connect everyone to the love, wonder, and awe of seeing Earth from space, to connect more deeply with our home planet and to understand it from a different point of view. Today marks a new chapter. We can't wait to see where we go next.